Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this introduction video. Today, we have published a package of static and cyclic loading in Abaqus. If you click on titles, here you will have the static and cyclic loading introduction here. We have two things in Abaqus. First, the static. The static is a specific way that you can model the static cycle in the Abaqus by using direct cyclic step. But in the cyclic loading almost uses for the civil structure, we use amplitude to apply the cyclic loading over the I don't know, beam column joint, everything's. And here you can see the introduction. Then sum the figures of the result here. For instance, this is the uh, pre-dynamic crack growth, something like fatigue analysis. Then the cyclic loading of the column, fatigue in two-dimensional method, three-dimensional or 3D model, and then the cyclic loading over the composite column, concrete, steel, stiffener, anything you can see here to extract the I don't know hysteresis diagram, and you can see we have everything here, and you can see the result of some of the tutorials, some of the models in the package, not all. You can read here about the cyclic loading and fatigue more here, the specification, method, everything, and then the applications. And at the end here, the package contains 17 models, 17 tutorials, and you can see here the title of the sorry the title of the model in the package, models in the package, and the tutorials. You can read all of this, and you can find every of these tutorials separately in the website if you search the title. The price of this package with 17 models is 86 euros. You can use PayPal account, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before payments, contact me to this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, the content of the package, or everything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.